Years after the raid on Macon, we're heading up an all-out assault on Peleliu Island. No POWs to rescue this time. Our mission? Take the airfield and cripple their supply network. Alongside familiar faces, fresh-faced recruits. The older guys like Miller, Sergeant Sullivan, and myself. We're known as the old breed. Old. We're not even out of our 20s.
It's time.
Good luck, all of you. This is it, Miller.
Okay, keep it together and we'll get through this in 3 days.
There they go. Bastards ain't gonna know what hit them.
Navy's been bombing the hell out of the island for 2 days straight. Miller, we hit any resistance on the beach? You get on that radio and call for immediate missile support.
Don't think twice.
Roma, I want you up the beach and at that tree line ASAP. You're on point as we move inland.
Got it.
What the hell?
Is that one of ours?
Fuck. East Ridge. There's a 200mm on the point.
Stay with it, Marine.
Another LBT's been hit!
Everyone, keep your heads down. You hear me?
20 seconds!
Hang in there, kid. We need to get off this thing. Driver, drive the rail! That gun can zero in on us anytime!
It's the plural! We're stuck on the...
Drop the rail! I got you, Miller! You're still in one piece! Plan's gone to shit! Tojo's got a defensive line dug in just beyond the tree line! We got heavy MG fire tearing on the beach! Call in rocket strikes for all positions now!
Waco 8-1, Azimuth 3-5, range 2-8 on the way!
Good work, Marine. Move!
Where's the fire coming from?
Don't let him get a fix on you!
Move! Move! What the hell went on there? There wasn't supposed to be any resistance!
That rocket strike should have softened him up!
Stay down! What do we do? Get moving! Find the Sarge!
You ready? Up and over!
They're close!
Shit. Put him down! MG nest!
Hit the deck!
Flamethrower, move up!
Fix bayonets! Use them if you have to! Pick it up! Push through their lines!
Flag left around the bunker. One-die charge! Eat dirt! We're not gonna hold back! Stay on him! Eyes south, another MG!
Miller, take it out!
Fire in the hole!
Keep it tight! Clear out the trenches. Not a problem. Keep pushing.
Go, go, go! They're right there!
Get your fucking head down. Moving in! Sullivan! The tree!
What the hell is he doing?
Take him down! Good shot, Miller! Hit the ground! Stay together!
Get ready!
Gotcha!
Fire! Find cover!
Everyone, keep a peeled! Group at the truck! Hold on! Tunnel southwest! Get in there! See if you can get a flanking position! Brigade! Get Miller! You gotta take him by surprise! Griffin! Get down, damn it! Let's get the jump on these bastards! We got him! Hit him hard! Keep firing!
Ordnance received. Target hit. 25 seconds.
Get up there!
15 seconds.
Up the ladder!
10
Clear him
seconds.
out!
5 seconds.
They've got those squads pinned down. Get on those MGs and
Fire
turn them up!
support ready. Stay your target. Target
Enemy
ready.
tanks!
Firing
All those
back.
rockets!
Elbow on target. AC
Hey!
barrage
Calling
available.
another rocket strike! Now!
Salvo on target. Check your fire. Target destroyed. Align. See your target. Over. Target hit.
Out fucking Stanley! Good work, all of you. Everyone, on me.
Rocket barrage available.
What now, Sarge? Secure the surrounding area. Wait for the Major's orders.
we rest?
Soon, Pulaski. Soon. Sullivan, no! Hold on! You're gonna be okay! Corpsman!
We're all numb by Sullivan's death. We just never saw it coming. I still can't believe it. Most solid, dependable, and courageous Marine we've ever known. Blink of an eye. Gone. Now it's down to me. And me alone. To lead these men, my brothers, safely through this campaign. AA fire from Peleliu airfield is knocking our planes right out of the sky. Taking this airfield is our only priority. Whatever the cost.